Welcome to our step-by-step guide on assembling the elegant Darkwood Triple Base flag stand. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the base from the box and protective wrap it. Lift the stand from the bottom to avoid damaging the mounts for the poles. Next, take the decorative rings for mounting the flags. And screw the rings and thread the clamp screw through the grommets at the top and bottom of the flag, ensuring the clamp balls are on the same side. Slide the rings with the attached flag onto the top section of the pole. Slide the lower ring from the top and move it down. Then slide the upper ring onto the top and tighten it a few centimeters from the pole's edge to prevent it from slipping. Ensure the flag is oriented correctly, with the top edge at the top. Tighten the upper decorative ring to prevent the flag from sliding down. Place the decorative finial, either a ball or a spearhead, onto the top of the pole with the flag attached. It should lock into place. Insert the lower segments of the poles into the base, ensuring it is placed in its final location. Make sure to insert the segments with the tapered ends facing up. Slide the 3D spreader onto the lower segment of the pole, with the prongs facing upwards. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now, add the top segment with the attached flag and decorative finial to the pole. Wrap the flag around the 3D spreader to ensure there are no creases. If the spreader extends too far, adjust its height. The flag looks best when its bottom corner hangs along the pole, fully displaying its design. Repeat the previous steps for the two remaining poles, arranging the flags as desired. All done. Now you can enjoy your set of national, union club, or organizational flags beautifully displayed on your elegant stand in any indoor setting.